All right, guys, so currently on the way to a Honda dealer to get my first oil change on my 2022 Civic Si. I'm taking it to the Honda dealer out here in Duarte. If you guys are from like the area, I was reading some Yelp reviews and they were kind of sketchy, so I'm a little nervous taking my car there because I don't want it to get damaged, like if they curb my rims or stain my interior with oil. But we'll see what happens. I'm just taking it there for my first oil change because I don't want to avoid the warranty, like just in case like something does happen to my car. It's not gonna be my fault. So yeah, that's why I'm taking it there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so I got my car back. One thing I did notice was this. They freaking flipped my octopus to the orange side, and if you go back and look at the video at the beginning, it was black. So maybe that's why it took 2 hours to do an oil change on a Honda Civic. Anyways, the total was $97 to do an oil change, just an oil change. It was gonna be 120 with the tire rotation. Obviously not gonna fall for that. I'm gonna do it myself later today. So yeah, overall experience, interior still looks clean, no oil, nothing, no scratches. I was scared they were gonna curb my rims. That's one thing I was scared of. But also they did turn on my windshield wipers, so my windshield is all dirty. I don't know why they did that. Gotta clean that. But yeah, gonna head home. All right, guys, so we're back from the dealership. I got some new floor mats for my car from LasFit. That's the company's name. I'm gonna be installing them, and right now I'm running OEM Honda Civic mats. The problem I have with these are they don't really cover much of the carpet, and this one slides around. Like when people step into the car, it like slides around, and then as you can see, it doesn't really trap the dirt on top. The other side, it's all right, but there is some gaps where like dirt and stuff can get under the floor mat. And then for the back, the thing that sucks about the OEM ones, it doesn't cover the middle of the carpet, so if someone puts their foot on that, it's gonna get dirty. But the LasFit ones do have the middle cover, so I'll show you guys that in a bit. All right, so let's get this package open, guys. It's just 2 tabs on the top. We're gonna take out the OEM ones, vacuum the car, and then slap these in, see how the fitment is. Whoops. Well, I got my vacuum here. It's a Ridge portable vac. If you guys are looking for a vacuum to vacuum your car, I recommend this one. It picks up the dirt really well. So yeah, we're gonna take out this old one, and here I'll give you guys a comparison of that versus this one. So this one has a higher wall on the left side and the right side right here to trap the dirt better, and hopefully, yeah, it looks like this one's not going to slide around because it has the pointy stuff on the bottom. This one has it as well, but for some reason it slide around. I don't know, but yeah, this one hopefully doesn't move around. So yeah, let's get to vacuuming.
this bad boy in. Let's see. There it is. It's a little warped, but with the heat, it'll shape to the car. But yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere like the other one was sliding around. This one grips into the carpet. So yeah, let's get the driver's side on. So this is the driver's side. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like so many exposed spaces where the dirt gets in, especially up here. Like all that dirt and debris gets under the carpet, and the LasFit one covers all of this, so not gonna get any of that debris under the carpet, under the floor mat, I'm sorry. But yeah, to take it off, just remove these, not remove, but you turn them so they're like that, pop up, and they come off. So yeah, we just grab this. So that's the OEM replacement floor mat right here, and then this is the LasFit. Let me get you guys in the sun. But yeah, you see how that one just has the square. This one has the square as well, but then on the right side it covers it, and it covers where you put your foot as well, right here. So when you're pushing on the gas, the brake, the clutch, depending on your car, you're not gonna get dirt over there. And as well as the passenger side, it has a higher edge on both sides. So yeah, let's vacuum the car and get this one in. All right, so all you have to do to put on the driver's side is line these two tabs up right here. Got that side. And we got that side. And then you just turn it like that. Got that side. And bam, it's not going anywhere. But yeah, the fitment on this one is really nice. Look at that. Perfect. In my opinion, these floor mats look way better than the aftermarket ones that Honda makes. So yeah, that's how the driver's side looks. Looks good. I like how it covers the dead pedal right here. Super nice. And this part. Bro. Bam. Just like that. So now we're gonna throw in the rear mat. It's all one piece. I just hit my head on that. Rip. But yeah, this is how it looks. And honestly, I'm liking these floor mats a lot because Pretty good design there with the hole, which is one piece for the rear. Looks pretty much like OEM spec. Yeah, the fitment is super nice. Pretty sure once it gets like a little hot in here, these like parts that are kind of not shaped right will form good to the car. But other than that, it's not too bad. Looks pretty good. So one thing on their website that made me kind of scared was these floor mats are not supposed to fit the SI, but because on their website it shows a picture of the clutch pedal hitting the top of the floor mat, but in my car it doesn't hit the floor mat. I'll show you guys. So you push the clutch in, you have that much space. It's not gonna hit, even if you like try to push it all the way up, which it's all the way up obviously because the clips are in. It's not gonna hit. I don't know if that's the case with all of them, or I just got lucky and this one fit better. But yeah, if you have a 2022 Civic Si, these floor mats are gonna fit. So yeah, I recommend getting them if you want to not worry about the mud and like rain when it starts to rain in the next like month. But yeah, 10 out of 10, LasFit, good job.